In today's episode, I am going to show you how to organize your entryway bathroom, or as many call it, your powder room. I'm going to show you how to organize it as well as what are the essentials. And if you watch till the end of this video, I will give you for free a cheat sheet that you can download where you have all of the essentials for your powder room. So stay tuned and watch. This is Alexandra Villarroel Abrego, and welcome to the very first Alexandra at Home episode. This new series will teach you how to organize your home, how to clean your home, how to decorate your home, everything that has to do with your environment, with the place where you spend most of your time in. You know, your home is really a reflection of you, and everything that you see around you has a tremendous effect on how you feel within, which is why I've created this series, because I truly believe that if you surround yourself with beauty, with things that you love, well, that's how you're gonna feel on the inside. Now, to kick off this new series, what I decided to do is to start off with a video on how to organize your powder room, your guest bathroom, your entryway bathroom, however you want to call it. The reason why I chose this video, this theme, it's because I believe that that's one of the most important rooms in your house. At the end of the day, that's the room that's gonna get the most visits, so you really want it to reflect who you are and your personality, and you want it to be welcoming. There's certain things, certain essentials, must-haves that must be and should be in every guest bathroom. So I'm going to share all of that with you in today's episode. Now, if you enjoy this kind of videos, well, trust me, you are going to love this series, Alexandra at Home, because you're going to find a lot of videos on how to organize your home, on how to decorate your home, on how to clean your home, also cooking videos, lifestyle videos. So stay tuned, because every single Friday here on Alexandra TV, you will find a new Alexandra at Home episode. So without any further ado, well, let's get into my entryway bathroom, my powder room. Follow me. So here we are in my powder room. Now, this powder room is located in my entryway, so right at the entrance of my home. It is not the guest bathroom that has a shower, because I do have a guest bathroom that has a shower. That's more for guests who are staying over, and who are in the guest bedroom. This one is really for people who are just visiting, whether they come for like for dinner or whatever. So in this bathroom, in this guest bathroom or powder room, however you want to call it, I'm going to show you what are the essentials that I believe a powder room should have, as well as how I decorate it. So let's start off actually with what you see here on the outside, and then we're going to dig into the drawers and how to organize the drawers. So the first thing that you have to understand when it comes to a powder room is that you don't want to overdo it. When it comes to the counter space as well as the shelves, you don't want to add too many things and make it too crowded, because you want your guests to actually have space, and to be able to put things, if they have, I don't know, their wallet, they put it here, their phone or something like that. Now, if you have some shelves, you want to use them for decoration purposes as well as for some candles. If there's one thing that I highly suggest and recommend that you have in your powder room, it's some nice scented candles. Here I have 2 of them, and I even have a 3rd one here on the counter. I really believe that in a powder room, it's a great thing to have. Another thing that you're going to notice in my powder room is that I have 2 plants, a bamboo plant and an orchid plant. So I always make sure to have 2, and I would highly suggest that you have, if not 2, at least 1. Just have at least 1 plant. It would be an amazing thing. Then, as you can see here, I have other decoration pieces. I have here a beautiful handmade tree with crystals, and it's just very beautiful. You're going to see throughout my house here on the Alexandra at Home episodes a lot of crystals. So I have them in every single room, so I love that. Here we have another crystal right here, and here I just have 2 little pieces that I actually purchased on a trip to Colombia, where I went, and they're made in gold, and they're just very beautiful. So I think it's nice. Also, conversation pieces. I like to have little conversation pieces in every room, and very often it has happened that people come to the powder room, and then once they come back to the table or to the living room, they say, what are those things that are on your shelves in your powder room? And then we start a conversation about that trip in Colombia and what they signify and what they mean and all of that. Now, when it comes to the counter space of your powder room, first of all, one thing that every powder room, of course, should have, every bathroom, is some towels. What I like to do is I like to fold my towels like this, like in little, how can I say, in little rolls, and put them here so that people can use a brand new towel for every time they wash their hands. You know, one thing that is my pet peeve is going to someone's house, and of course there's nothing wrong, they can choose to do it like that, but I personally don't like it, is when they just have one towel for everyone, and then, you know, someone just went to the bathroom, and then you're going to the bathroom, you wash your hands, and then you go to clean your hands on the towel and it's wet, and from the person who was there before. And I think that that's it's not fun, you know. So you want to have different towels for everyone, and always make sure if you're having an evening at your house, and if there's a lot of people, to bring back new towels, you know, to make sure that you remember to have more towels to fill them up once again. So always towels are definitely an essential. Another essential is some soap. Now I highly recommend not to have the soap where it's just, you know, the bar of soap. I feel like it's less hygienic. I feel like a soap like this is the ideal thing that you want to have for your guests. One that smells good is always nice, so always have that. And another thing that I keep on the countertop is a little like perfume, room perfume, so a little room fragrance. So of course people come to the bathroom, you want to make sure that they have this in case anything. So as you can see here, people have used it, so it's always good to have it on the counter. I used to actually have it in one of the drawers, but then I took it out because I was like, maybe not everyone is going to go into the drawers and look for something. At least they have it here, they know it's right here, they can see it and they can use it. All right, so now that we are done with the counter space and really the visible part of your powder room, we're going to dig into the drawers and what are the things that I believe are the essentials that every powder room should have in their drawers to make their guests feel like they're right at home. So let's start off with the first drawer on this corner right here. This is, I believe, the most important drawer of them all, okay? There's 3 different sections, 3 different little compartments. As you can see, once again, I am using those little dividers, right, for the drawers, and each compartment has something different. Let's start off with the one that has just one item in it, and it's this thing called, that I love, it's called Potpourri. So this is a spray that people can spray in their toilet and then do their thing, you know? So this is the lavender vanilla. So it's always fun for your guests, you know, they can open this drawer, they can find that and say, thank God, this is great, I'm gonna use this. So I keep this in one of the little dividers in my drawer. Then the other divider in the drawer is for the mouth, in a way. So this is really a little toothpaste, of course, organic, very important. Then we have some disposable toothbrushes. So, you know, it's always a good thing. And believe me that I've had several already of these toothbrushes that have disappeared from there, meaning that people have used them and then they've taken them home. So this is a 100% biodegradable. It's a bamboo toothbrush. And yeah, and it's really good because if, let's say, someone is coming over and they're having dinner and they, you know, I cook with a lot of spices and a lot of garlic and onions. So perhaps they want to brush their tooth right after. So they have this is disposable. And then some dental floss, which is also organic, tea tree oil one. So I think that it's always nice to have these little options in these drawers for your guests so they can feel like they are right at home. Then here we have the other divider, which is really the medicine divider. We have, first of all, some throat cool relief, Ricola, you know, for if someone's throat is hurting. We have some Tylenols if they have a headache. Under this, we also have more Tylenols. This is for cold. It's actually Advil's for cold. And here, I love this little thing. It's the pharmacy little box. And in here, we have a lot of different little Band-Aids. So people, if they hurt themselves or whatever, they know that they can go and get their Band-Aids here. And then I have a little bag here. And this, I actually got it from a hotel room. You know, in hotels, when you stay in hotels, they give sometimes shampoos and things like that. Sometimes they give this. So it's a little nice bag with some Q-tips and like some little things, you know, to remove makeup. And also another thing from a hotel, it's a little thing for your nails, to file your nails. Isn't that nice? So I keep it here. It's brand new, so people can use them. So I love this little drawer because I feel like, you know, very often if you go to a house and then, I don't know, you want to brush your teeth or your head is hurting or you cut yourself and you feel maybe there's a lot of people and maybe you feel embarrassed to ask the host in front of everyone, well, you have all of the essentials here. So it's very, very fun. Now let's move on to the next drawer. Now this is the drawer that is more for, I don't know, for hygiene, the hygiene drawer. First of all, you're gonna find in this drawer that my little boxes of Toilette de Luxe Paris. This is the lady set. Then we have the dental set, and then we have the refreshing towel. These, I got them when I was in Paris. On the Champs-Elysees, there's this bathroom where I believe you have to pay like 5 euros to just go in the bathroom. And then outside of it, they sell these little things. So I always thought it was so cute. I got them there and then I have them here. So far, I think I had another one and it has been used. Someone took it. I don't mind because it's for the guests really, but I feel like it gives it a nice little touch. You know, it's kind of cute to have that there. Then we, of course, have some hand sanitizer. It's always good to have this here. And then we have some flushable moist wipes. So if people prefer this and not toilet paper, they can find some in the drawer. And then we also have, I love these, the fresh on the go wipes. It's just like little wipes, you know, not only, you know, for when you do your business, but for your hands. So it's always good to have this here. So as I said, it's kind of like the cleaning, or should I say the hygiene, let's call it, drawer that we have here. And then finally, right under these two drawers, we have this big kind of drawer, and it's simply where I put all of the extra toilet paper. So I think that the worst thing for your guests is when you go to someone's place and that there's no more toilet paper, and then you have to, you know, you're in the bathroom. How are you gonna do it? How are you gonna ask someone? So the best thing is it's right in front of the toilet. If they see that there's some, you know, toilet paper missing, they just open this and it's like the toilet paper extravaganza. There's like a whole lot of rolls here. You cannot run out of rolls when you open this drawer. You're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to move on to this drawer right here, which is the lady drawer. This is for all of my ladies, of course. This is for when Mother Moon comes and visits you when you weren't expecting it, you know? So I truly believe, you know, I'm a big advocate of the power of our menstrual cycles. I talk about it in my book, Beyond Beauty. I believe that is the most beautiful and natural thing, you know, it's the blood of creation. So we shouldn't be ashamed, right, to go and ask our host for, do you have a pad, do you have a tampon? But you know, if there's a lot of people, you don't want to say that in front of everyone. So the best thing is when you have this in your powder room so that your guests, if they have that little surprise, well, they know exactly where they can go and serve themselves, you know. So here I have different sizes for different types of flows. I also have some intimate towelettes, you know, for my ladies. So this is really the lady drawer. Now let's go to the next drawer here. This one is very simple. This is really the Kleenex drawer, basically. So here I have a big box of Kleenex. Then I have some nice little pocket Kleenex that have nice little sayings in them. Find your fearless. Another one is believe in yourself. And people are more than welcome to grab some and take some home, you know, especially if someone has a cold and they're at your house and they don't have any more Kleenex. Instead of having to come back all the time to your powder room to get more, they can just get, you know, one of the little things. There's more here. So this is really the Kleenex drawer. And then under this right here, this is where I keep a lot more boxes of Kleenex, as well as some hand cream. So we have here some hand cream, which is always a good thing. And then we have some extra hand soap. So another thing that is never fun is when, you know, you run out of hand soap and then your guest has to come and ask you for some more. Well, at least they can just look down in this drawer and they will find some more hand soap. So that is that for the drawers of my powder room. So that is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I certainly hope that it inspired you, to do the same and to make your powder room more welcoming for your guests. You know, this is a very important room. As I said, it's a room that, you know, gets the most visits out of any other room in your home. So you definitely want to make it a reflection of you, right? Now, to help you, you know, get started and start organizing your powder room, we've decided to create an essential sheet of all of the things that you need in order to organize your powder room and, like I said, to make it more welcoming. If you want to download this sheet for free, all you have to do is go in the description below this video, click on the link, and you'll be able to download it for free. Now, make sure you stay tuned because you don't want to miss out on the next episodes of Alexandra at Home that come out every single Friday here on AlexandraTV. Also, if you liked this episode, don't forget to like it, don't forget to share it with all of your friends, and of course to subscribe for new episodes every week. And in the comment section below, let me know what other ideas of videos you would like me to share with you. You know, what other videos would you like me to share and organizing tips and ideas and things like that. So that is it for today, and I will see you very soon.